Hello friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and I'm here today for day 16 of my birthday card a day September 2023 series. Let's get to what I used today. I used this cute stamp set from Sweet November Stamps called Paisley. I did do some masking, so I always try to keep my masks so we can't quite see her, but that was the stamp set. I used some Kraftin Kimmie inks. I used these inks because they are a hybrid ink, and so if you color over them like with Copic markers, they don't smear or anything like that. And I had stamped in some areas where I wasn't sure if I would color or not, so I was on the safe side, so I used Yummy Yellow, Ocean Opulence, and Ruby Red. And then I did make a mini slimline, so I used the Cat Scrappiness, the mini slimline fancy scalloped dies. They're super fun. And then I used some pattern paper that I was gifted last year before, I'm not sure. I'm down to, I think I only have like 1 or 2 sheets left and just some scraps, so I'm getting through it. And here is my card today. I'm rushing this a little bit. I'm not sure if the glossy accents are totally dry, so I'm going to do my best not to touch that. But you can see I use those dies. It is a mini slimline. This is where I stamped the little confetti around her. I masked her. Okay, I had to think this through. Every time I go to mask something, I have to think it through. What you want in the front, you stamp first. So I stamped the balloon first. And then I masked that, and I stamped her. And then I masked that, and I did all the confetti. And then I discovered, because the way that the stamp is and where I placed the balloon, it had this really long string that didn't really match up. It's supposed to go up higher. And so I had to cover that up, so I did some paper piecing on her dress to cover that up. And in the end, I think it turned out beyond adorable. I just love it. I think it definitely has that birthday party vibe going on. And then I did add that glossy accents to the balloon that I'm not going to touch because I'm not sure that they're dry. And then I used some Kraftin Kimmie dots, and that was my card. And on the inside, I just added, I cut that shape and then added those little flags there. So that is my card for day 16 of my birthday card a day series. Oh, and I did stamp the sentiment, I guess. HBD to you. Happy birthday to you. Man, losing my train of thought like crazy today. Anyways, I hope that you enjoyed it. Every time I look at this, I just smile. It's definitely a card that I love how it turned out. Anyways, I will see you back here tomorrow for day 17. And until then, go do something for yourself and go get crafty. Bye.